Good afternoon, everyone. So this is the continuation of our report, The Four C's of Assessment in Social Studies. By the way, my name is Marian N. Paunilian, and I will be discussing the third and the fourth C's of Assessment in Social Studies. The third one is collaboration. Collaboration refers to the ability to work productively with others toward a common goal. So since many societal challenges require collective action, social studies helps students learn teamwork, respect for diverse viewpoints, and shared responsibility. So this collaboration assessment will help to process or evaluate how well learners work with others to achieve shared goals, communicate effectively, and contribute ideas to complete the group task while studying social issues and community concerns. So this collaboration assessment helps learners develop teamwork, communication, and shared responsibility. This prepares them to work effectively with others, appreciate diverse perspectives, that become more active, responsible members of the society. So the importance of this in social studies are it builds essential teamwork and leadership skills. Second is encourages profound respect for diversity. Third, develops real-world conflicts resolution abilities. And last one is it fosters a sense of social responsibility. Assessing collaboration. First is in the group research. Executing group research project that require division of labor and synthesis of findings. So it is about working as a team by assigning specific responsibilities to each member and then integrating everyone's contribution into a unified and well-supportive research output. Second is the cooperative task. Completing cooperative learning tasks where success depends on interdependence. And in completing cooperative learning tasks where success depends on interdependence means that each member has an important role and the group can only succeed if everyone participates, shares ideas, and work collaboratively. So no single member can complete the task effectively alone because each person's contribution is essential. Community learning, engaging in community-based learning activities that involve local stakeholders. So in an educational approach in which learners gain knowledge and skills by participating in activities within their local community and working with community members or organizations. So engaging in community-based learning activities that involve local stakeholders means that the learners actively participate in real-life projects or activities that will help and support of people in the community, such as parents, local leaders, government officials, health workers, business owners, or community organizations. So these stakeholders are can share their ideas, provide resources, and collaborate with learners to achieve community needs or solve local problems. Problem solving is a process of working together to analyze issues, generate solutions, and make decisions. Means participating in group activities where learners work together to resolve real world issues by negotiating, communicating, and reaching agreements, similar to how the government leaders or diplomats address conflicts and shared concerns. Now, the fourth one is the creativity. Creativity is the ability to generate innovative ideas, develop original products, and present information in unique ways. So, in social studies, creativity allows students to explore historical and contemporary issues from different perspectives, thinking imaginatively while remaining grounded in facts. So, creativity assessment is the process of evaluating how learners use original ideas, critical thinking, and problem solving skills to understand the social issues, analyze historical events, and propose meaningful solutions to real world problems. So, in conclusion, it encouraged the learners to think beyond memorization by expressing their ideas in innovative ways, collaborating with others, and applying their knowledge in real life situations. So, it will help develop critical, responsible, and engaged citizens. Now, the question is, why creativity matters? Creativity matters because it promotes innovation and initiative. Second, it encourages deeper engagement with learning. Third, it helps learners connect knowledge to real life situations. And fourth, it inspires civic action and social awareness. Okay, in conclusion, the four C's of assessment, which are the critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity, are important because it develops learners' essential 21st century skills. It enables students to analyze social issues, communicate ideas effectively, work cooperatively with others, and generate innovative solutions to real world problems. Assessing these competencies prepares learners to become informed, responsible, and active citizens in their communities and beyond. So that's end our report. I hope you learned something. Thank you, and may God bless us all.